Hi, my name is Linda Strickland. I'm a zone manager here at the Champion Factory in Lake City, Florida. And today I'm going to walk you through one of our Cypress Manor series of homes. First thing you'll notice when you walk into our home is the 36 by 80 residential size front door. The extra width and height are going to make it easier for you to move those large items in and out of your home, as well as give easy access for those folks who may be in a wheelchair and need the extra space. Moving into the home, our flooring in this room is shaw carpeting with an R2X stain repellent. That repellent is going to help your home look newer longer because it's going to prevent those spills from soaking into your carpet, giving you ample time to clean them up, keeping your carpets looking fresher longer. You'll notice our up-to-date color palettes throughout the home. Champion updates their color palettes regularly, so you're not going to have dated colors in your home, and you're going to be able to choose those colors that are really going to reflect your personality. Our walls are half-inch drywall with a light texture on them. The drywall is glued and screwed, which is going to mean that you're not going to have those nail pops due to vibrations inside and outside of the home that are going to mar your texture and your painting. In this particular home, we've got a 9-foot ceiling, although 8-foot flat is standard. You'll notice a nice, clean, knockdown texture in the ceiling. No more popcorn that can collect dust and look dated. Because we have the 9-foot ceilings in this home, you're also going to have 2x6 exterior walls, which is great. Little extra lumber in the walls is going to provide extra strength and security. You'll notice we have transom windows with the 9-foot ceilings that are going to add extra natural lighting in the room, and it just gives you volume and really is a focal point in the room. Looking all the way up, the ceiling also has a tray with an optional paint color in it that really gives an eye-popping focal point and dramatic effect to your living room. So your home is going to come with Kenro brand double paned insulated windows. These windows have the low E coating on them, which is going to help prevent the sun rays from bleaching your carpeting and your upholstery. It's also going to help you save money on your energy bill. The great thing too is that they fold in at the bottom for easy cleaning. You're not going to have to take the screens off to clean the bottom half of the outside of your window. So it's going to save you some time in the long run too. Every Cypress Manor home is going to come with a vinyl foyer. This is going to help keep your floors clean too, because now your vinyl is going to catch any mud or debris that you may track in from out in the yard. You're also going to have a standard door stop at your front door, which is going to protect your walls from damage from the doorknob. So you'll notice in this home you're going to have lever door handles are going to be standard throughout the home. You'll notice the nice 1/1 doors that give it a real residential look. You'll also notice that each of the doors has a door stop all the way around the door, so your doors aren't going to move and they're going to close soundly. In your hall bath, you're going to have a 36-inch comfort height vanity. For us height challenged people, that's not a big deal, but in our competitors, some of them will drop down to a shorter type vanity, which is going to be a little more challenging for those folks who are very tall. China sinks and a fiberglass tub and shower enclosure are going to add to the longevity and the good looks of your home for much longer. China stays shiny and cleans up very well, as does the fiberglass. So you're going to have many years of enjoyment in your bathroom. Your home is going to come standard with 3-inch crown and base throughout the home. In this particular home, we did option in the 5-inch crown and base for a more dramatic look. In your closets, your metal shelving is all metal. There's no plastic. And we also installed deadwood behind the closet shelving to secure the screws into the wall. You're not going to have to worry about those shelves coming out of the wall once you have them loaded up with items. So we understand that the kitchen is one of the most used places in the entire home. Just imagine entertaining your friends and family in this beautiful kitchen. Your kitchen's going to come standard with Whirlpool appliances. We offer stainless, black, and white so that you can customize the kitchen to your particular tastes. You're going to have 36-inch comfort height countertops in the kitchen as well. You're going to have drawer over door construction on your cabinets. Your base cabs are all vinyl wrapped, as are your upper and your drawers. Your drawers have full extension metal guides. Your metal is going to help them hold up longer than plastic, so you're going to get a lot more use out of them. Because they extend fully, you don't have to worry about things getting in those nether regions back there that you can't reach and you can't find. Your overhead cabinets in this home are 40 inches tall because of the 9-foot ceilings. Otherwise, you'd have a 30-inch overhead cabinet. You will have adjustable shelving in your upper cabinets and your pantries. Make them a lot more flexible for those tall items or that you have to store in the cabinets. Your home's going to come with a Stonecrest Euro range hood, which not only is very stylish, but very functional. You have halogen lights that are great for a night light after everybody's gone to bed. It will also vent through the ceiling. It's going to vent through the ceiling to keep smoke and cooking odors out of the home. You'll notice lots of outlets. Not only are you going to have outlets on your backsplashes, but you're going to have one on each end of this great big island as well. Your dining room is going to come standard with two 4-inch LED lights. We do use those throughout the home. LED is going to help with your cooling because they do burn cooler than regular bulbs. They're also going to help save you money down the road because you have to replace them less often. Your flooring in the wet areas in this home is 9x18 vinyl plank. It does look like wood without the upkeep and the hassle of having wood flooring. If you have a problem with one tile, you just pick it up and put down another tile, and it's going to hold up to a lot of wear and last a very long time. This house comes with a stainless steel farmhouse sink. Farmhouse sinks are very, very popular. This one is great because it has a nice deep bowl, but then you have all of these great accessories that come with it that make it even more user-friendly. You've got a pull-out faucet, which is going to make cleaning that big bowl even easier, and you can fill large pots and things with because it's so deep. Every sink in the home is going to have a shut-off valve underneath it. This is great so that if you do have a problem with water at one end of the house, you don't have to lose water to the kitchen as well. You're also going to have a clean out area down there so that if you do have a stop up or a clog, you can open that up and easily clean that out and take care of it. All of the bathrooms in this series are going to come with a tub and a shower. This customer decided to upgrade to our Deluxe Amazon bath package, which includes a 72-inch tub, which is very deep and great for soaking after one of those long, hard days. Beautiful plantation shutters and Roman blinds really add to the spa-like feel of this bathroom. You'll have an enclosed toilet area with an elongated bowl. You can upgrade to a pedestal for those customers that need a little extra height. A vent fan. So what happens in the closet stays in the closet. 36-inch comfort height vanities. China lamps with metal faucets. And our beautiful LED mirrors, which are great for applying makeup because you've got that extra light coming out of the mirror. Here again, you're going to have your vinyl wrapped cabinet interiors. Your water shut off and clean out. You'll also have a bank of drawers, which is great for storing all of those little items and things that you don't want on the countertop. This bathroom comes with an amazing Amazon shower. Your Amazon shower comes with a rainforest shower head, a handheld shower head, and 2 diverters, one at the entrance and one under the shower heads. It's great so you don't get the shower before the shower running in to turn the water on and off. Welcome to your new closet. What fashionista wouldn't love to have this in their home? Your home is going to come standard with wire shelving with metal fasteners. You also have dead wood behind the wall that the screws will drill into, which is going to help prevent those shelves from coming off the wall when you have too much on top of them. You also have some built-in cabinetry here. Again, it's vinyl lined for easy cleaning. It's a great area to store those items that you don't want to hang up. I'm thinking sweaters in particularly. This is a great place to demonstrate our mortised hinges. Your doors, interior doors are going to come with 3 mortise hinges. At Champion Lake City, we actually use 2x4s on each side of the marriage wall. Why that matters to you is now you have a stronger, sturdier marriage line. Would you rather have one 2x4 or double 2x4s at that marriage line to hold your house together? Double marriage wall is also going to help reduce noise from one room to the other. So in addition to the strength and security, now you've got a little extra noise protection as well. Every home in this series is going to come with a dormer that's going to give you extra personality and curb appeal to your home. You're also going to have a standard GFI near the front door. That way you can plug in those lighted decorations or just the tools that you need to maintain the home. The entire exterior of your home is going to be wrapped with OSB sheathing. This home comes standard with 3-tab shingles by Tamco. They do have a 25-year warranty, so they're going to last a very long time. You do have the option of architectural shingles or metal, so you really can customize your home to suit your personality and your lifestyle.